I'm surprised that.
Oh my god! Like,
Turn it the other way. Yeah. That used to be straight.
that was a good one.
Perfect.
You done well, Tool. Okay.
So, to break our eccentric bolt off the front main cover there, what we did is we used this whole jack handle on our breaker bar, and then to hold the engine we stuck a pry bar. Wow, and we bent it.
Oh my god!
We stuck a pry bar in the flywheel here on one of the dowels and a clutch bolt, and then we stuck it inside of our engine hoist leg, and then Matt stood way over there.
Yeah.
And then I was on this end and basically stood on the motor and put all my weight onto here, and
Somehow that worked.
we were able to break the bolt free. So that's the trick.
Oh man.
I'm surprised that.
Oh my god! Like,
Turn it the other way. Yeah. That used to be straight.
that was a good one.
Perfect.
You done well, Tool.
So that was our hack for getting the main shaft bolt out of the 13B Renesis motor. Pretty easy once we actually figured out how to do it. You know, the impact wouldn't take it off. Yeah, let us know in the comments what different ways you've gotten that front main bolt off. And if you guys like BMWs or drift trucks, check out our channel for different videos on that kind of stuff. And please like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and peace out.
Broadcast Performance is what it stands for.